Let's dive into setting up your POS payments and making your daily sales reconciliation a total breeze. So, how does your register actually keep track of every single dollar? Well, it all starts with the foundation. Think of it as the plumbing for your cash flow. You've got to tell the system where the money's going. It's a simple 3-step process. You'll create a cash book, define your payment methods, and then link them up. And here's the cool part. Each method you create, that becomes a payment button for your cashier on screen. Now, don't mix up the method with the provider. The provider is just the company that processes it. Okay, with the backend ready, let's see what happens during a real transaction at the register. Your system can even handle split payments, like when someone pays with both cash and a card. All right, so at the end of the day, it's time to make sure all the money adds up. That's where reports come in. You've got 3 main reports, and each one gives you a different piece of the puzzle for reconciling. First up, the Cashier Collection Report. It lists every payment, so one sale might show up as 2 lines. Then you've got the Z Report. This one just rolls everything up into nice, clean totals for the day. And that Z Report, that's the one your finance team is going to love for matching up with bank statements. But, mistakes can happen. What if a cashier picks the wrong payment type? No problem. If you have the right permissions, fixing it is easy. Just swap out the incorrect payment for the right one. So, the big takeaway here? A little setup now saves you a massive headache on reconciliation later, for sure. And once your payment plumbing is set, you'll have perfect clarity. That's how you make smarter business decisions.